The Loco Gecko is located right on the boulevard here in Myrtle Beach.
So you have the boulevard, whichever one you want. But since it's kind of stormy today, we decided to sit on the inside. But they also have some outdoor tables that are covered as well. And look at all the tables, neatly decorated.
So we decided to stop here at the Loco Gecko to grab a bite to eat. Let's see what they have. They have starters, sandwiches, burgers, fresh salads. Oh, for the big meals, they got pizza baskets, signature items, and even things for little geckos.
So you know how I love those spicy margaritas. So I went with the spicy margarita here, which has the pineapple jalapeno tequila, sour triple sec, and lime juice. I can't wait.
I decided to go with the Purple Gecko, which consists of Blanco tequila, blue Ciroc, sour mix, lime juice, and a splash of cranberry.
And the rain hit us again right here at the Loco Gecko.
Eating on the inside is just like eating on the outside. They have all the doors open, so you feel like you're eating outside. You're just not getting wet. So I decided to go with a buffalo dip. It had cayenne pepper and tortilla chips. And Bebox decided to go with the Clucking Good quesadilla. It's flour tortilla filled with grilled chicken, onions, peppers, and mushrooms, served with sour cream and salsa.
The chicken Caesar salad wrapped with fries.
So how was it?
Wonderful.
Delicious.
If you're looking for the Loco Gecko, it's located right here between the Captain's Quarters Resort and the Seacrest right on the boulevard here in Myrtle Beach. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.